Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY NCERT. So previously we have done two parts of this chapter, two acid, bases and salt, and this is part third. So we just do a recap that we have discussed about two indicators, that natural indicator and synthetic indicator, where we have come to know that there are natural indicators are litmus paper, turmeric and China rose. Just add this one, we haven't discussed about this China rose as an indicator. So yeah, this is also an indicator of acid and bases, and yeah, and these are the natural indicator, right? And the synthetic indicator, so we have two indicators, that one is the phenolphthalein indicator and methyl orange indicator. Phenolphthalein, we just came to know that if we use phenolphthalein, so if there is no color, so we'll know that this is acid, and there is pink color, then we'll came to know that this is the base. And if I talk about the methyl orange, then also if there is acid, then it becomes a red, and if there is orange color, so we came to know that this is the basic. So these both natural and synthetic indicator we have just done in the previous videos. You can go through that videos in detail. So yeah, so further in your NCERT there is an activity, that was activity 2.2. let's just find out what this activity is all about, right? So let me change the color and I'll take red color. Okay, fine. Okay, so what you have to do is take some finely chopped onions. Okay, first is we have to take onions finely chopped, and just keep in plastic bag, along with plastic bag and with some strips to clean cloth. Fine. Okay, we have done this. Like, tie up the bag tightly and leave overnight in the fridge. Okay, we have to put onions in the plastic bag and we have to tie it up and leave to for the overnight in the fridge. And the cloth strip can now be used to test for acids and bases. Okay, so that we have taken a cloth strip, isn't it? So now we can use as it for just identify for the acid and bases. Now what we have to do is, second, take two of these cloth strip and check their order. Now you have to take two cloth strip and now smell it. Okay, now check their odor. Now keep them on a clean surface and put a few drop of dilute HCl. Now we have to do is, we have to put, like, we have to keep it in a clean place, and now we have to put drops of HCl, dilute HCl, right, and a dilute HCl solution on the one strip and few drops of dilute NaOH on solution on the other. So yeah, on one strip we'll put HCl, on another strip we'll put NaOH. Now Raisin both clothes stripped with water. Now we have to wash it out and again check their order. Now again check their order, right? Again check their order. Now note your observation, what you have identified, like what you have what is the difference between the when you first smell it and then the second time. So now take some dilute vanilla. Now first we have taken onion, right? First one was this onion, and now we are taking the vanilla, dilute vanilla essence and clove oil, and second vanilla, and third is clove oil, and check their order. Now check their order. Now take some dilute HCl. Again we are taking HCl, and in another we are taking NaOH in the tube. Now add a few drops of dilute vanilla essence to both test tubes and shake it well. Like in one tube we just have to take vanilla essence, and in another tube we have to take clove oil, and both in each of the tube we have to put HCl in one, and in another we have to put NaOH solution. And now we have to shake it well and have to check their order once again and record changes in order if any. अगर होता है तो you just note it down. अब similarly test the change. अब हमें क्या करना है, like we have just first we have done that. Now we have to change like test the change in the order of the clove oil with the dilute HCl and your solution. Record your observation, isn't it? पहले क्या होता है कि पहले हमें हम पहली वाली जो स्मेल है, हम जो सिंपली हमने जो बिना कोई HCl NaOH के जो हमने जो हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट है, पहले हम उसकी स्मेल ले रहे हैं फर्स्ट. आफ्टर मिक्सिंग विद एनी सोल्यूशन, we just want to identify कि अगर हम कुछ ऐड करते हैं as in solution, so उसमें क्या changes आते हैं, isn't it? So this is basically the this activity is all about, right? So now इससे हमें क्या पता चला है, what we came to know about like from this activity, that which of these vanilla, onion and clove can be used as olfactory indicator. क्या हम olfactory indicators use कर सकते हैं, किसको, onion, vanilla and clove oil को? So the answer is yes, because I'll tell you that अगर if there is acid, isn't it? If there is acid, so onion smells remain same. See, if like in the chopped onions, what when I will add the HCl, dilute HCl, and I'll smell it, then onion smell will not change. But when I added NaOH as NaOH solution in the onion, so that smell changes, loses its smell. मतलब कि कोई smell ही नहीं आएगी, यानी कि then we'll come to know that yeah, हमने कुछ base इसमें add किया था, isn't it? पहले हम क्या कर रहे थे, पहले हम simply chopped onions को pack करके रख रहे थे, but after that we are just adding the HCl or the NaOH solution. HCl add कर रहे हैं तो smell जो है that will remain same, but when we are adding the NaOH, then तब क्या होगा, तब ये होगा कि जो smell होगी that will lose its smell, onion की कोई smell ही नहीं आएगी. And same with the vanilla and the clove oil. If there is a after adding HCl, तो वनीला का जो टेस्ट होगा, वनीला का जो odor होगा, that will what remain same. If then we'll come to know that the HCl is being used. If vanilla loses its smell, so we'll come to know that the base is used, that's NaOH is used, right? And if there is like we are using clove oil as an olfactory indicator, so what we'll know that if we are using HCl, so we'll know that the smell will remain same, like here smell will remain same. And if we lose it, like if we add NaOH, then we can say that the smell will lose it, like clove oil will lose its smell. So yes, we have the third type of indicator, that is the olfactory indicators. Firstly we have the natural, synthetic, and now we have olfactory indicators. So this video is all about the indicators. I hope you understood till now. We'll do further our chapter, and the further topic is how do acid and bases reacts with metal, and this is going to be very interesting. So yeah, keep supporting me and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Tada.